Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to point domain from Misk to SiteGround hosting. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in website SiteGround and then you see new website, so click on it and then you see add new website. Website will be created in data center California, USA. If you want, you can edit. Now you see choose other data center location, new domain, existing domain, temporary domain. So our domain is existing domain, so click on it. So you can add your domain. So this is our domain. Now you see, so we are going to add in SiteGround and then click on continue. And then you see two options, start new website, migrate website. So we are going to click on skip and create blank site, so click on it. If you want, you can use both, so it's up to you. And then click on finish. Now creating your site and then you see you are all set. Your website with domain has been created. Now you see point your domain, so we are going to add this name server in Misk. Now copy, go to Misk control panel, so click on it and then you see forwarding or name server. You see multiple options, so click on name server. Then in name server you see name server, so we are going to add it. Now go to SiteGround, copy this, back to Misk, again copy and then click on update name server. Now you see updated name server changes saved. So within 48 hours your domain will work on SiteGround. So in maximum 48 hours your domain will work on SiteGround and your domain will be live within few hours mostly. Now you see how long for changes to take effect. Now you see message. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.